Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a list in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply hover over to Accounts and List. It's right next to Returns and Orders. I'm simply gonna hover over it. And right here, you can see something like this that says your list and your account. Well, we're only trying to look at how to create a list, so let's click on this create a list button right here, just below your list. Well, once you're in this section, it's gonna show you something like this, create a new list, and from here, what you need to do is simply give your list a name. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered my list name. Now what I need to do is simply hit on this button that says create list. And guys, that's it. As you can see, I have created a list in my Amazon account. It is quite easy. Well guys, that's the gist of it. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.